Okay. So sweet squad, I'm going to put some lime juice on the cane. So here we've got some ripe bananas and some beautiful ripe mangoes. Yes, you are correct. These are some beautiful Jamaican apples. Try not to laugh at me, guys. I had no stick and I had to get this mango today. Throw a lick mango off a tree. So here we got some avocado, otherwise known as pear, and this place is so fruitful as we've got some breadfruit tree right beside it, so loaded. So sweet squad, these are breadfruit, and this tree is very low, but it has a whole lot of breadfruit. As you see, it's right in line with me. I can just use my hands and pick the breadfruit without any stick, and we got lots of them on the tree, guys. Lots of breadfruits, and right beside the breadfruit tree we got avocado. We call it pear in Jamaica. And again, it's at arm's length, guys. Very fruitful place. Jamaica is beautiful island, and it's just amazing because, like, when you are abroad or in foreign countries, you can't get the fresh stuff, and it's amazing how you can just get everything organic here in Jamaica. I have to show a sweet farm everything in Jamaica. Blackbirds, cane peeling. Yeah, corn.
Okay.
So sweet squad, I'm going to put some lime juice on the cane. It is absolutely a beautiful combination. Very nice. Sweet sugar cane, sweet squad.
Jamaican cake.
This is what they used to make sugar cane. So you can imagine how
cane,
sweet it
sugar.
is. Well, this is what
Sugar, not sugar cane.
this is sugar cane. Let's start here again. This is what they used to make sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
You boiled it, you get the molasses from it,
Yeah.
and lots more things.
Hmm.
You take from it. Jamaica sugar cane.
I'm telling you, Jamaica is so fruitful. So fruitful, sweet squad. And if you look right here, there's another tree that is so loaded as well. And of course, this view of the mountain, it is so beautiful. Jamaica is so beautiful. Thank you for watching.